Well, the first thing we would discuss is what is bankruptcy and what types of bankruptcy might be available to a consumer. Generally speaking, a consumer is looking at either a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. And bankruptcy is essentially a legal way of dealing with your debts. You find yourself in over your head, insolvent, can't make the monthly payments. Bankruptcy is a way of allowing the government to help you deal with your creditors. Basically, it gets you parity. They have the rights to call you to try and collect because they've lent you money or goods or services. If you can't pay them back, you need some way of leveling the playing field. So bankruptcy is the business of the consumer having some of the same rights that the creditors have. Business decision to take matters into your hands, take care of you, your family, your livelihood, just like the creditors are trying to take care of theirs. So the first thing we would discuss is what is bankruptcy. Then we would talk about what are the different kinds of bankruptcy and which one might be the most appropriate for you. A Chapter 7 is a liquidation. For most people, that's the way they're going to be looking. You get to keep exempt assets, things like your house, your car, other goods that you may own, household goods, jewelry within certain limits, and you get rid of the debt. There are a few exceptions, but for the most part, you get rid of your debt. For people who have higher income, or for people who may have filed before, or other circumstances, a Chapter 13 might be the best way to go. Chapter 13 is a repayment plan, but it is not a repayment plan in the sense that you're paying 100% of everything you owe. You frequently end up paying pennies on the dollar. You're in bankruptcy for a longer period of time, but you have the option of keeping things that might be in excess of the exemption by paying the creditors some of that money, some of the money they would normally be entitled to. So again, we discuss the kinds of bankruptcies, which bankruptcy might be appropriate for you. Bankruptcy is a tool. We're here to help. Call today, sleep tonight.